Taiwan-based tuner Zacoe is now offering its own aerodynamic kit for the part-electric Lamborghini Revuelto. The supercar looks like an SVJ version that the Italian company hasn't introduced yet. New components start with a front splitter equipped with aerodynamic fins to help reduce drag. The hood is ventilated, the side sills are longer than stock, and there are side fins behind the front wheel arches. A small active spoiler complements the stock wing, and the roof now features an air scoop that seems to be going straight into the engine bay, rather than being purely decorative. Zacoe doesn't disclose any exact numbers when it says that the kit improves downforce and reduces lifting force. The car continues to rely on its plug-in hybrid powertrain rated at 1015 PS, 1001 horsepower/747 kilowatts.